On April 28, 2025, GeoWar News brings you a landmark achievement in modern military technology. The United Kingdom has successfully tested its revolutionary radio frequency directed energy weapon, or RFDEW, a system designed to change the future of aerial defense. This cutting-edge weapon harnesses the power of concentrated radio waves to neutralize swarms of drones, disabling or destroying the internal electronics of hostile unmanned aerial vehicles without the need for traditional munitions. The large-scale demonstration took place at the Manorbier testing range in Wales, where the RFDEW displayed its full operational potential by neutralizing over 100 drones simultaneously. These drones varied in size, speed, and maneuverability, simulating realistic threats that modern armed forces increasingly face in complex combat environments. The successful neutralization of such a high number of aerial targets marks the largest and most sophisticated anti-drone exercise ever conducted by the British Army. This achievement establishes a new gold standard for electronic warfare capabilities, highlighting the rapid evolution of directed energy technologies in military applications. The RFDEW was developed by the Team HRSA Consortium, led by Thales UK and supported by extensive investments from British defence programmes focused on next-generation warfare. What sets the RFDEW apart is its exceptional level of automation and simplicity. Designed to be operated by a single trained soldier, the system can detect, track, and engage multiple targets autonomously, minimizing the need for complex manual inputs. Its intuitive control interface allows for rapid deployment under combat conditions, making it an invaluable asset for mobile strike forces and defensive installations alike. Adding to its versatility, the RFDEW features a modular design that allows it to be integrated into a wide array of military platforms. Whether mounted on armored ground vehicles, tactical transport trucks, fast patrol boats, or even integrated into static defensive positions, the RFDEW brings unparalleled flexibility to any theater of operations. Its compact and lightweight configuration ensures that forces can maintain high mobility while retaining powerful counter-drone capabilities, essential in modern hybrid warfare where speed and adaptability determine success. Perhaps one of the most transformative aspects of the RFDEW is its extraordinarily low operational cost. Each firing sequence expends only around 10 pence, less than 15 US cents, in electricity. This stands in stark contrast to traditional missile-based air defense systems, where each interception can cost hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars. In practical terms, this means that the RFDEW can engage countless incoming threats without placing a financial strain on military resources. In a world where adversaries are increasingly deploying inexpensive drone swarms to overwhelm defenses, having a low-cost, high-effectiveness solution like the RFDEW could decisively shift the balance of power. The importance of this achievement cannot be overstated. As the nature of conflict evolves, with drones becoming cheaper, smarter, and more prolific, nations are racing to develop scalable, resilient defenses. The RFDEW represents not only a leap forward in technology but also a strategic realignment, emphasizing the need for energy-based weapons that can protect forces and critical infrastructure efficiently and sustainably. The United Kingdom, through innovations like the RFDEW, positions itself at the forefront of the coming era of electromagnetic and directed energy warfare. GeoWar News will continue to follow the integration of the RFDEW into the British Armed Forces and its potential future deployments across the world. This development signals a clear message. In the battlefields of tomorrow, those who master energy, speed, and electronic dominance will define the course of global security. Beyond the immediate battlefield applications, the broader implications of the RFDEW are profound and far-reaching. In an era where drone technology is becoming increasingly affordable, portable, and accessible to both state and non-state actors, the demand for rapid, scalable, and cost-effective countermeasures has never been greater. The RFDEW answers that call by offering a highly adaptable, non-kinetic solution capable of neutralizing aerial threats without relying on traditional ammunition or high-cost missile systems. It represents a paradigm shift in how modern militaries approach the defense of critical assets, strategic infrastructure, and troop deployments in contested environments. This system is poised to play a critical role in safeguarding sensitive targets such as airfields, command centers, power grids, ports, government facilities, and forward operating bases. Unlike conventional defenses that may struggle against mass drone attacks due to limited ammunition supplies or high resupply costs, the RFDEW offers virtually unlimited defensive potential as long as an energy source is available. Its ability to operate silently and without visible munitions also reduces the risk of unintended collateral damage, making it ideal for urban environments or scenarios where minimizing civilian harm is essential. Moreover, the introduction of the RFDEW signals a broader strategic shift toward more sophisticated, non-kinetic methods of warfare. Instead of focusing purely on physical destruction, modern defense systems are evolving to emphasize disruption, denial, and electronic supremacy. In environments saturated with sensors, communications, and autonomous platforms, dominance over the electromagnetic spectrum is becoming just as important as control over land, air, or sea. Systems like the RFDEW exemplify this evolution, offering a decisive advantage in electronic warfare by disabling enemy assets at a distance without exposing defenders to direct retaliation. For the United Kingdom, the successful development and testing of the RFDEW symbolize not just a technological milestone, but a reaffirmation of its strategic vision for the future of defense. By investing in cutting-edge directed energy weapons and autonomous defense solutions, Britain reinforces its position as a leader among NATO allies in the race to adapt to next-generation threats. The RFDEW reflects a commitment to maintaining technological superiority and ensuring that British forces remain equipped to face the complex security challenges of the 21st century. GeoWar News will continue to monitor closely how the British Armed Forces integrate this groundbreaking weapon into their operational doctrines, force structures, and future deployments across global theaters. Early indications suggest that similar systems could soon become standard features aboard Royal Navy ships, RAF air bases, and Army mobile formations, dramatically enhancing their ability to counter the rapidly evolving threat landscape. The successful trials of the RFDEW underline an accelerating global trend. The future of defense will not be dictated solely by the strength of armor, the caliber of artillery, or the speed of missiles. Instead, it will be shaped increasingly by mastery over energy, automation, electronic warfare, and technological resilience. Nations that embrace these emerging domains will hold a decisive edge over those who remain tethered to outdated models of conventional warfare. Stay connected with GeoWar News for continuous coverage on military breakthroughs, technological innovations, and strategic developments that are shaping the future of global security. From directed energy weapons to autonomous defense networks, we bring you the latest insights from the front lines of modern warfare.